you've been struggling to make money online, this video is for you. I'm about to share with you exactly how you can quit spending money on Amazon and start making it as an Amazon influencer. People are probably already asking you, that dress is so cute, where did you get it? And you're probably sending them the link for free without getting paid. Well, I'm about to open your eyes to a whole new world. My name's Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo, and I am so glad that you ended up here. I help normal, ordinary people just like you make money reviewing Amazon products. And today, I'm gonna share with you exactly how you can monetize your hobby of Facebook, Instagram, and instead of scrolling all day, start being a creator and sharing things you love and driving those people over to Amazon where you're gonna get paid a commission for every single sale that you make. The past 21 months, my husband and I just hit 200K in profit our first 21 months reviewing products, and it's been a roller coaster. So in today's video, if you're wondering, is this actually legit? Because that country girl kind of seems like this might be a scam. I'd probably be thinking the same thing. So let me share with you two people's results, very part-time and very full-time. And this is usually without even driving any traffic themselves. You can see Melissa started in April. She wanted to earn $2,400 a month by the end of the year, and she made $2,600 her very second month. Now you can see Steven does this very full time. He has over 8,000 review videos on his page. He made $186K in 2021, $380K in 2022, $260K in 2023, and he hit $1 million in less than 4 years. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and you're gonna get out whatever you put in. So today I'm gonna share with you what our students have been begging us to teach them. How do I drive traffic from social media? I'm gonna show you today 5 main points. The first one is, what kind of videos should I post on social media? The second one is, what type of captions and hashtags should I use? Then we're going to go over the biggest mistake that I see beginners make sharing Amazon products on social media, what link to use to make sure it actually opens with the customer logged in, which increases your sales by 90%. And then I'm going to show you the one that's going to be the biggest changer, number 4, how to automate this business with a autoresponder. And finally, if you don't even want to post any videos on social media, I'm going to show you how to make money making simple phone videos without even posting them anywhere. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, follow along, and y'all comment review me if you want to make 6 figures the next 12 months reviewing Amazon products. Let's jump in. If you stay until the very end, I am going to share with you a totally free chat automation that you can just plug and play with your own affiliate links. So on to step 1. What kind of videos should you post? You want to keep these videos short and sweet. They're not going to be long like your Amazon influencer videos. These are going to be TikTok, Instagram Reel style. So let's check out an example together. If you just go to Instagram, TikTok, and search Amazon finds, the Bargain Sisters popped up. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing. Here's an example. This is a product that they have that is just, I guess it's something to organize the inside of your fridge. So you see, they're not even in this video, it's just showing the dividers. You want to focus on problem-solving products. Now, they already have their chat automation set up because they know what they're doing. So they just put comment and they have AW96, and they are going to have their ManyChat automatically send the link. So this is how it becomes, I'd say, semi-passive income at this point. So how does this work? So here are a couple more video examples for you. Part 2, what do you want to put for your caption and your hashtag? Don't even overthink this, y'all, because the quality of your video is far more important than anything you're gonna write, okay? So I'm gonna use an example from that same video. I love how they start with the problem. I've dug around my fridge to find my kid's snack for the last time. I'm sure you as a parent can relate to that. They immediately want to do their call to action, which is what you're asking them to do. Comment AW96 and we'll send me the link. I was so tired of organizing the doors just for things to fall as soon as I closed the door. I think we can all relate to that. As soon as I saw these dividers expanded, I was sold. They keep my doors neat and organized so I can keep all the kids' snacks easy to find. Or you can shop by clicking the link in our profile and then tapping shop our Instagram feed. So you see they have 2 call to actions, which is gonna lead to money for their family, and the hashtags they use are pretty easy ones. Amazon finds, organize with me, fridge organization, fridge restock. So you just wanna make sure that your hashtags are relevant. So if somebody is searching fridge organization, their video might pop up. Do not make this mistake that most Amazon influencers make. If you just send the direct link that you get on your Amazon associates, they're gonna open it on their phone and it's gonna go to Amazon without them being logged in. You're gonna lose 90% of your sales. Do this instead. So as you can see, I commented that and their autoresponder sent me this. Make sure in the message you disclose that you're an Amazon affiliate and you're getting paid commission just to follow the rules. I'm gonna click on this snap-on dividers, and whenever I open it up, even if I was on my phone, you could see that they had used an affiliate link, so it logged in with me where I can just hit add to cart. And you wanna make it easy for people to give you their money, you know what I'm saying? So how do I do this? There's a lot of different deep links is what it's called. It's just a fancy word for it. It opens up with their account logged in. We personally use Link Twin, and I have an affiliate link below in the description for you. It is so simple. You just go to the Amazon.com where you're logged into your associates or influencer account. This is not that one, but I just wanted to give you an example. I'm gonna copy the link, make sure it's your affiliate link, not the regular Amazon link, and you literally just go to Link Twin. I think you get maybe the first 1,000 clicks for free. Then each month, it is a paid thing, but it is worth it because you're gonna increase your clicks per month. All you do is paste it here and click create link. The beauty of this is you can see where every single click came from, how many clicks you got. So literally, all I'm gonna do is copy and paste this link, and then we are going to move on to step 4. We use a program called ManyChat. This program has made us well over 6 figures and has allowed us to spend more time traveling, hanging out with our dogs and family, and doing things we love. So I highly recommend it. I do have my affiliate link in the description for you. Here is how to set up a new automation. There's millions of ways to do it. We're gonna follow the KISS method and keep it simple, stupid. You wanna go to the left and click on automations. Then we're gonna click make a new automation. They have all these templates that are fancy. You can pick from them. You can even start with AI and tell them what you want to make and they'll make it for you. Since we're keeping it simple, we're gonna start from scratch at the top right, okay? How it works simply is one trigger makes another thing happen. When somebody comments this message automatically goes to them. So we want our very first trigger. You're gonna pick Instagram or Facebook Messenger. We just want, when somebody comments something, our affiliate link to go to them. So I'm gonna put user comments on your post or reel. Okay, now here's so many things you can do. I can pick a specific video I posted, or I can just put all posts or reels, okay? Or even your next one, which is pretty awesome. Then I'm gonna hit continue. I want to put a specific keyword. So let's say I was doing something for my dog. So I want to put the specific keyword would be the word dog, okay? Now, it doesn't matter if it's capitalized or not, and sometimes people spell stuff crazy, might have typos, so I usually just kind of do a couple different variations, super simple, and you're going to hit continue. Now, the next step is, would you like to set up a public reply? This basically means when somebody comments the word dog, and I'm gonna send in my favorite dog product, do I want it to automatically do a public comment reply, not just a message? And I do. So I'm gonna do some random multiple replies. Just keep it real simple. Check your DM. I'll be like, done, on the way to you. I recommend doing at least 3 just so the algorithm doesn't keep seeing the same comment over and over. Sent, please check your DMs. You see on here, they even basically have it done for you, which is awesome. Please check your DM. whatever you want to say. You can customize it. And then we're going to hit save on this. Then we're gonna move to our next step, okay? That was super simple, right? So we got it saved. Now, our very next step that we want to have is where it says then. We're gonna choose the next step. And we want to click Instagram. If you're Facebook, you're gonna be clicking Messenger. So this is the message we are going to send. Here is the dog bowl you have been looking for. Whatever. Don't overthink it. The only thing you need to make sure that you do have in here is the terminology that you need as an Amazon associate. So you can put, as an Amazon associate, I earn commission for purchases. Something simple like that. This is an affiliate link. This is a commission link. Whatever it is, just make sure you follow the terms of service for that. And now we want to add a button. The button is going to be the link that they click, okay? The button title is gonna be what they click. So I'm just gonna put dog bowl. I'm gonna keep it real simple, okay? I'm not here to overcomplicate it. When this button is pressed, open a website. This is where you paste your deep link, not the regular link that Amazon gives you, so that it will open up with them logged in, y'all. Now you can add a tag if you maybe wanna say, these are all the dog people, send them future dog stuff. You can keep it simple, don't do that. And what you're going to do to link both of these together is, the final step is at the top right, make sure you hit set live. Now, if you wanna go make sure this is working, you can go comment on the Instagram, whatever the word is, and see if it automatically sends you the message. Now, if you don't wanna have to do this yourself, I already made you a totally free automation that you can just open up, duplicate over and over again, and just put your own link, grab it in the description. 5, last but certainly not least, what I'm about to share with you is how over 2,000 of our students, like Shelly here, made $21,000 from May 23rd to December 31st, and she makes $2,000 to $3,000 every single month, which is enough to pay her mortgage without posting anything on social media. We have actually taught our students how to just upload their videos directly to Amazon. And if you're on Amazon and you see those review videos, you watch those for the amount of time required and you buy the product, that person who made the video actually gets paid. So this is a game changer. If you want to learn exactly how to do this, just head to my link in the description, CajunVenturesMo.com/review masterclass, and I would love to help you make enough money to change your life and your family's life. I don't know how you ended up here today, but I am sure glad that you did. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to make at least $1,000 extra a month for your family, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos like this bad boy of me doing a real live product review. No fancy edits, but lots of money to be made. So until next time, y'all, go make that money.